Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we've got a review. Two coins, exactly the same coin, but there is a difference. These are two $1 coins from Canada. They're dated, let me just get my book out. They're dated 2022, and on this side you got the Queen Elizabeth II's portrait. This was issued just before her death, and the head on this coin is the Queen at 77 is the title of the head. And what we've got is the two coins, as I said, they're exactly the same, but on here we have a very famous jazz pianist by the name of Oscar Peterson. You have Oscar here at the piano, at the keyboard itself. There are two variations of this coin. There's one that's just the standard bunk, and then there is a purple coloured version where you got two spots of colour just either side of the what is that thing there? It's just above his hands, playing on the keyboard. Now, the mintage of the coloured coin is 1,025,000. The non-coloured, this one here, the mintage is an exceptionally low 400,000. These coins are lovely. I think they're wonderful. They are celebrating a man who brought so much pleasure to so many people with his jazz group. It's unreal. We have two lovely coins there. Would you want the pair of them in your collection? I know I do, and I'm so glad to have them there. Normally with coloured coins you've got to be careful, but Canada seems to have hit just the right note. When they produce coloured coins, particularly for circulation, there is just a hint of colour on the coin. It's not as if the whole coin is a coloured decal, because that doesn't work with coins. And this has just the right amount of colour, because you're wondering what is it about when you see the coin, and that is always a good thing to bring somebody into the coin to find out what the coin is, what it's about. And these are quite low value, low mintage coins for Canada. Normally with Canada, with dollar coins and such like, they're normally printed in their tens of millions, if not 100 million or more. So to have them this low for a commemorative coin is very rare indeed, and I've got a feeling these coins, given a few years, they'll be worth a lot more than the $1 that they are worth at this moment in time. So tell me what you think about these coins. Do you like them? I think they're wonderful, and I'm very, very happy to have them in my collection. Now if I just put those two back into the bag so I don't lose them, and I know where they are, so when I want to flip them up and put them into my collection, I know where they are. If you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I am aiming for 250 by the end of this year. Please will you think about doing so if you've not already subscribed. Both doesn't cost you anything, but give me the subscription only if you believe I deserved it. I do a minimum of 4 and just recently I've been doing an average of 5 videos a week. Hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy. I cover coins, banknotes, collectibles and militaria. So if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, before we go, thank you for staying to the end of the video, and from me, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too long into the distant future, bye bye for now. Ta-da!